Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna make tteokbokki. It is Korean food and tastes a little bit spicy, but everyone in Korea, I believe most of them love it very much, from the young children to adults, everyone. So today you're gonna need tteokbokki tteok. They are called the rice cake. You can get them easily at the Korean market. I have 400 grams of tteokbokki tteok, like the rice cake, and I have half size of onions. It's about 70 grams, and it's about 50 grams of green onions. And you will need kelp in the water, so you will use the water as a base of the tteokbokki soup. And you will have 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic, and it's chili paste. It is also sold in Korean market. It's called gochujang. And I have agave syrup instead of using sugar, and it's about 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. And I have dried anchovies. Let's start making tteokbokki right now. So from now on, I'm gonna use pan to make tteokbokki. Let's start. To put the anchovies on a pan. Stir them on a pan with no oil at all. By doing this, you will be able to reduce some smells of the anchovies. So about 3 minutes later, when anchovies are a little bit yellowish, you will pour the water. Pour the water. So you do not use the kelp anymore. And wait until the water boils. I will take the anchovies out of the water. When water starts to boil, you can pour them. Put onions first. And chili paste. And mince the garlics. Agave syrup. Chili powder. And then let the water boil a little bit more. And it's ready. When it's ready, drop the rice cakes. And if you have fish cakes in your home, you can add them, but I don't have it today, so I just skipped it. And lastly, put the green onions on it and mix them together. I have 2 boiled eggs and I will put it in together. Okay, it's done. So I will place them on a plate and salt. Thank you for watching today. We made tteokbokki today. You can follow it and you will enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.